Where would I rather be right now? It's not exactly what I had in mind. Luckily, Brantford Hyundai understands that bringing your car into service isn't your favorite thing to do. That's why we've made the process safe, simple, and more convenient for you. Let's just say, you've got options. Booking online is the fastest and easiest way to schedule your appointment, but we are always available by an old-fashioned phone call. Right now, we encourage everyone to take advantage of our vehicle pickup and drop-off service. It's safe and most convenient. Someone will come pick up your vehicle from your home or your workplace. We'll bring it back to the dealership to get serviced, and then we'll bring it right back to you completely sanitized and ready to go. Other options include dropping off your vehicle and waiting in our breezy outdoor tent or our air-conditioned drive-thru. Or you can leave and come back when your vehicle's ready for pickup.
Like we said, you've got options, a lot of them.
So go ahead and dare your day to be ruined by another service appointment. Visit BrantfordHyundai.ca and book your next service appointment today.